Today I'm going to show you how to use one of my favorite websites for making photo collages called Picmonkey.com. You start by clicking on the Collage button, and then you can select all the pictures that you want from your desktop. Picmonkey is a great website because there are a lot of free options available without having to buy anything. But if you want to upgrade, you can go for the Royale upgrade, which gives you a lot of extra options. So the good thing about Picmonkey is it's pretty user-friendly, and after you open the pictures, you just need to drag and drop with your mouse to the canvas. You can change the size of the canvas by clicking on that little lock button on the lower right-hand corner and then typing in the dimensions that you want. The dimensions are given in pixels, so if you see the number 740 by 900 pixels, that is the size I put it to. I like to make these collages for my blog, so these are all artworks of student projects of a Dr. Seuss themed architecture drawing that they did. And so doing it this way, I make these collages and then it takes up less space on the blog and it makes the layout look a little bit more appealing because the pictures are all nicely arranged. Here I am rearranging pictures. I'm sliding the edges of the pictures back and forth to get different sizes. You can play with the edges of the canvas itself and make it bigger or smaller. It's pretty intuitive. You just kind of use your mouse and grab things. You can flip pictures from one box to the other. If you click on the little blue edit button that pops up over the pictures, you can also zoom in and zoom out. And here you can see that I'm zooming in, zooming out. You can rotate the pictures. You can do special effects to the pictures, but that's a Royale upgrade. I haven't tried that. All the way to the left-hand side, you can see there's little icons. The first one is a pictures button. That's where you get your pictures. The second one is a layout button if you want pre-designed layouts. Then you have the color swatches with just different pattern swatches you can put in there. And then the paintbrush has options for the background. You can change the spacing of the pictures if you want like a bigger border, corner rounding, and you can click on that little eyedropper tool to get the color of the background changing. And I tend to like to use that eyedropper tool and put the dropper on one of the colors that are already in the pictures. And then that kind of makes the whole design more cohesive. If you're repeating the colors, the color scheme just looks a little more cohesive. Here I'm showing the corner rounding. And then you hit save when you're done. Change the name to something that you would want for your name of the collage. And then I like to save it to the Sean size, which is a gorgeous but large file size. Save to my computer. I usually save to the desktop, and then once I use it on my blog, I delete it. And masterpiece saved.